Hello, personal presentation. My name is Gina Lorena Leon. I am 26 years old. My profession is nurse. I am married. I am have a son. I live with husband and son. I like football. My birthday is December 14. My daily routine. I get up at 6 a.m. I shower, get dressing and sing my son. We went to leave my son at school. My husband and I are going to work at 4 p.m. I go to work and pick up my son the other evening at 7 p.m. and have dinner at 9 p.m. We go to sleep. Thank you.